Assalamu alaikum, good morning everyone. I am Dr. Hassani ABDELKADER from the University of Ouargla. In this second video, I try to go deeply in my course, the structure of matter. We try to analyze with more details the objectives and our two chapters. Le public cible, c'est première année socle commun domaine sciences de la matière. So, the first part is objective. Les objectifs de cours. So we have many objectives. Décrire la composition d'un atome, y compris les protons, les neutrons et les électrons. So here we try to give some definition of atom, protons, neutrons, electrons. So atoms and their inside components. Secondly, expliquer les caractéristiques de ces particules subatomiques et leur rôle respectif dans la structure atomique. Here we try to make specialized or deeply definitions of the characteristics of these particles. So we call it the subatomic particles and their role or respective role. It means their properties in the structure of atoms. So we have definitions, the relation between the components of atoms and the rules that relate or organize the relation between them. Comprendre comment les éléments sont organisés dans le tableau périodique en fonction de leurs propriétés chimiques et physiques. So here it's the part of periodic table. Try to know more about the elements, definitions, and the classification and their classification and organization inside the table. So we have the column, we have the line, and so on. Based on their function and their functions and their physical and chemical properties. So we have each element has its own specific position in the table based on its physical and chemical properties and their function also. Its function also. Expliquer les différentes formes de liaisons chimiques, ioniques, covalentes, métalliques et leur rôle dans la formation des molécules et des composés. Here we call it the chemical bonds. We have the ionic, covalent, and metallic. So we try to define the three types of chemical bonds and their roles in the formation of various molecules and composition also. Definitions exactly and their role in the formation of molecules, yes. Finally, we have comprendre comment les atomes et les molécules se combinent pour former des substances solides, liquides, gazeux et résumer les principales propriétés des matériaux résultants. So we try to summarize, comprendre comment les atomes et les molécules. So here we try to know more about the relation, combination between atoms and molecules in order to form or to prepare solid substances, liquid, gases, and finally summarize the principal properties of resulted materials. Moving on to the chapter 1. So we have two chapters. In chapter was the fondement de la structure de la matière. So we have definition de la matière. La matière est tout ce qui une masse occupe un espace. C'est definition of matter. Changement dans l'état de la matière. Les états de la matière changent selon la température et la pression. Changement dans l'état de la matière. Les changements peuvent être physiques ou chimiques. Classification de la matière. La matière se divise en substances, puis les mélanges. Concept d'atomes, molécules. Le mol de nombre d'Avogadro. Les atomes forment molécules et se mesurent en mol. Et finalement, les lois chimiques définissent les comportements de la matière, évaluation de la chapitre 1, l'évaluation test, compréhension du concept du chapitre. So here in chapter 1 we have the definition of matter, the changement in physical state or the matter state, the physical and chemical changement. We have also the classification of matter. So the matter can classify in substances, pure substances and mixture. And we try to move to definition of many concepts, concept of atom, molecule, mole, the number of Avogadro, and so on. And we finish with the rules or the laws of chemistry. We have many laws in chemistry. And we have also the evaluation, test or evaluation of chapter 1. This test permettra de mesurer la compétence des sujets abordés. In chapter 2, les structures de l'atome, atomes et molécules. Cette section explore les différences et les relations entre atomes et les molécules, les deux composants de base de la matière. Électrons, l'étude se concentrait sur les électrons, leur arrangement autour de noyaux et leur rôle crucial dans les propriétés chimiques des éléments. Noyau, on examine ici la structure du noyau atomique, inclut la composition et les forces nucléaires qui le maintiennent. Identification des éléments, cette partie explique comment les éléments chimiques sont identifiés et classés selon leurs caractéristiques uniques. And finally, we have évaluation du chapitre 2. Un test d'évaluation à la fin du chapitre permettra de mesurer la compréhension des sujets abordés. We have conclusion, un test de sortie. In this chapter, the structure of atom, we go deeply inside the atom and molecule. So we try to explore differences, relation between atoms and molecule and their component. We move to the notion to electron. It's a very vast notion. It's another world. So we try to focus inside the electron, its arrangement inside the nucleus, its crucial role inside, and its property, its crucial role inside the nucleus, and its chemical and physical properties. We move to the nucleus and examine here the structure of atomic nucleus, and we move to identification of various elements, and we finalize with the evaluation of chapter. It's a test of evaluation, and we have conclusion, and after that we have a test de sortie or a final test. And thank you so much for your attention.